Don't just buy gift from the market to give to your recipient. It's a no-no. It doesn't work. One thing I keep saying is that it is not how expensive that gift is. It is the thoughtfulness, thought of putting that gift together and then presenting it. That is what matters. It matters much more. Hey, gift lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my world of thoughtful giftings where I inspire your every gifting moment. It's another beautiful video and you don't want to miss out on this. So it is that time of the year where we get to celebrate the special women in our lives. Yes, I said special because every woman is special, and you watching me right now as a woman, you are uniquely special in your own way. It is a month of March, and you know what March represents. I'm so sure that you would like to specially celebrate the women in your lives with gifts, and this is why we are doing this video. From the topic you already know, I will be sharing some gift idea, but I want to share with you an ultimate guide. You don't want to miss that. I mean, you won't even, in fact, you did not see it coming. In as much as you're trying to celebrate that special woman in your life, special and unique woman, you want to celebrate it, maybe your wife, your mother, your pastor's wife, your mentor, whoever it may be. As a woman, it is very, very okay to do that. And I also understand that finding the right gift for her can be quite challenging. Yes, it is. From browsing through the internet to thinking, to budgeting, you're thinking, oh, will I get her? What would she like? Do I know if you will need this or that? It can be quite challenging. I understand. And I also understand that every woman is unique in her own way. This is why you should tailor that gift to suit her so that it will be useful to her, so that it will be something. There is nothing as beautiful as gifting somebody that particular thing they needed. Yes, it is very, very beautiful, and it is very, very functional. There is nothing as giving a functional gift. So it is important you tailor that gift to suit our needs. That is why generic gift is a no-no. Yes, no, no. Don't just buy gift from the market to give to your recipient. It's a no-no. It doesn't work. One thing I keep saying is that it is not how expensive that gift is. It is the thoughtfulness, thought of putting that gift together and then presenting it. That is what matters. It matters much more. You'll be amazed on how much this matters. I would be doing a separate video on that very soon. So you want to stay tuned to this channel because you have a lot of things. We have a lot of things in store for you. Now, for the purpose of this video, I want you to pay close attention as I share 4 gift idea for the women in your lives. Like I said earlier, the last one is a banger, so you don't want to miss that. If you're looking for gifts that will nourish the mind and soul of the women in your lives, then you should consider getting a book, an amazing book that aligns so much with our interests. Number 2, if the woman or women in your lives are more into wellness, then you should get products that improves their relaxation and help them to just, relax and recharge. Products like essential oils, scented candles, massage gun, about tea. You can get stuff like that. It will go a long way for them. And if she's the type of woman that is adventurous, that loves adventure, then give her the gift of experience. I'm sure, very sure, that she would never forget that in a lifetime. In fact, you can even do that for your mother, your sister, your friend. You can always do that. It could be an event experience, a learning experience, or an adventure, an adventurous experience like horse riding, hiking, hot air balloon ride. In fact, this is one of my favorites. If you're already glued to this channel, you will know that I love the gift of experience. It is what you have left when all is gone. I am sure that you are stayed till this moment because you want to really, really celebrate the women in your lives. So pay attention to the last one. What is this ultimate guide? This ultimate gift guide is one that shows that you care about her, that you care about her passion, you care about her interests, that you are a support system, that you see her. Let me tell you the truth. There is no woman that will not appreciate this, because every woman needs a support system. Every woman needs to be backed up. The fact that you see her and you admit that I see you, I see your efforts, I see your sacrifices. Oh my God. In fact, it is everything. You are emotionally connecting to her. And you know one thing about this particular gift, it is something that can align with any woman. You can, it is personal. You can always tweak it to suit the particular woman you want to give this gift to. And you can do it in fact, and guess what, it doesn't even cost you much to put these things together. You can either do it through a video message or through your letter writing. Just make sure it is coming from the depths of your heart. I tell you again that every woman needs that support system. And standing in for her when she really needs it is everything to her. So for me personally, this is my ultimate gift guide. This is something I know that every woman will appreciate. So many women have given up, so many women are devastated. You can add that to this. That would be fine. In fact, that is a complete combo. I am so excited you stayed to this point. Do not forget to give me your favorite gift idea. Which one do you consider the most important to you? Write in the comment section. I would be waiting to hear from you. Thank you again for staying through to this time. If you are yet to subscribe, you are wrong. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when we drop new video. Thank you again for staying tuned to this time. I am Faith, your giftpreneur.